birthday, Princess. I hope we have a wonderful celebration.
Happy birthday, Princess. I hope you have a wonderful day and enjoy all the gifts and surprises waiting to be opened by you. Remember that all your friends and family, including Papa Jesus, will always be by your side during your hardest of struggles. Goodbye and happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Princess.
Happy birthday, Princess. I hope and wish you the best luck in life. And your birthday brings you lots of things that make you smile. I hope your parents spoil you and get you a lot of cotton candy. God bless you.
Good princess. Princess, God bless you. Happy birthday, Princess. We are happy to be your friend, and I hope you study well.
Happy birthday, Princess. I wish you happiness and blessings on your birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, everybody. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate Princess. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Princess. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Ate Princess. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Ate Princess.
Happy birthday. Sana, make your mama proud sa studies. Mag-aral ka mabuti. Tapos, blessing on your birthday. Enjoy your day.
Ate Princess, happy birthday. Sabi din ni Dylan, happy birthday din. Say happy birthday, uy.
Happy birthday!
Alright. Ingat palagi pag may need, magsabi ka lang ha, huwag lang pera ha. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Hello, Princess. Happy 11th birthday. I hope that you have a good day and a good future ahead. And I wish that whatever you wish for will come true.
Here we go.
Happy birthday, Auntie Princess!
Happy birthday! How old are you, Ate Princess?
Hi, Auntie Princess! Happy birthday! Sana maging masaya ang iyong kaarawan. Mahal na mahal ka namin! Mwah! Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, Ate Princess, good health at pagpatuloy mo pag-aaral mo at sana madaming blessing ang magbigay sa'yo. Mwah! Ate Princess, sana paglaki mo, mabait kang tao, magpakbigay, at laki mo galing sa school nyo, laki kang, sana maki-honor ka, at malaki kang hindi makasakit. Yun lang, love you! Bye!
Hello, Princess. I just wanted to say happy 11th birthday, and I hope you have great health and a great year this year ahead of you. You're such a big girl now, and I can't wait to see what your future has for you. I love you heaps, and I miss you, and I can't wait to see you later.
Apo, happy birthday! Ang wish ko magpabuti, magpakabait ka kay mami, kay daddy, at marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. At ang wish ko talagang, alam ko na sa akin ka lumaki, kaya alam ko nag-adjust ka na rin sa mami at daddy. Sundin mo ang gusto ni mami, sundin mo ang gusto ni daddy huwag kang patawa, alam ko mabait kang bata. Enjoy mo ang birthday mo, unang birthday mo ngayon, wala na si tatay. Love na ka ni tatay, I love you. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Princess. I hope you're having a great time with your mom and dad and your friends today. It's been a long time since we last saw each other, and I can't wait to see you again. Just always remember that me and Tita Owen and even the baby inside of Tita's tummy, we are so excited to see you. I hope you can visit us here in Australia, or we can visit you there in New Zealand. Happy birthday, Princess. We love you.
Happy birthday, Princess! Mahal kita nga apo. Bigyan ka ng karunungan na galing kay Lord at magpakabait ka dyan sa daddy at mami mo ha, magbigid ka. At ang pag-aaral mo, ayusin mo, na bigyan ka ng karunungan mula kay Lord at bigyan ka mahabang buhay. Karunungan at kalakasan, physically, spiritually, kayong lahat dyan, si mami mo at daddy. Na manalangin kayo sa gabi bago matulog. Huwag niyo kalimutan si Lord ha. More blessing. Happy birthday, Apo. Mahal na mahal kita.
Happy birthday, Princess, anak. Wish ko lang sa birthday mo, mag-aral ka na mabuti. At maging malapit ka lagi kay God, lagi ka mag-pray sa lahat ng mga gusto mong makamit sa buhay mo. At huwag mo kakalimutan na love ka namin ni mami mo.
In English.
Birthday anak, maligayang kaarawan. Lagi mo tatandaan na mahal kita. Hindi lang ako nagmamahal sa'yo, pati si daddy at yung mga pinsan mo. Lagi mo tatandaan. Pakabait ka na, anak. Diyos ko, masakit ang ulo ni mami sa'yo na minsan. Lagi mo lang tatandaan na be kind, be brave, and be strong. Andito lang si mami. Tandaan mo yan. Lagi mong share kung ano nangyayari sa buhay mo. Huwag ka mahihiya. Andito lang ako. Laging tatandaan na kakampi mo ko sa lahat ng bagay.